here you use a measurement of 3.5 for the width
Yes.
and 3.5 for the length. And here I remember you stood on the shoulder line, came down 1 inch.
1 inch.
Okay, and you came down again 8 inches for the armhole. 8 inches for the armhole. Okay, and then you stood on the shoulder line, you measured 5 inches. Made a notch with a chalk and came down 1 inch. And you went from the middle line and went up half inch. Okay. Hello everyone, you are welcome on Sew with PaulVin. You know how we do it here. It's always about sewing. Today I'm once again in Apia's clothing shop. You remember Apia, right? The previous video that I did in this shop, that video was a power one. I'm sure most of you learned a lot. Your feedbacks and everything that I received showed that you really learned. Alright, today too I'm here again. This time I'm not cutting with Apia himself. Apia has another worker in the same shop who sews like a machine. Now I'm here to talk to this designer. She will demonstrate her work to you today. But first of all, let her introduce herself to you so that we take it from there. Alright, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I hope you are good.
Yes, please.
Alright, so introduce yourself to our viewers. What's your name?
My name is Mercy.
Mercy. What do you do?
Yes, I sew.
You sew?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mercy, do you believe in yourself? Are you good enough? You believe you are good. So, what do you have for us today?
I have princess seam fitting dress.
Princess seam fitting dress. So, Mercy is going to show us how to cut princess seam fitting dress. This video will be in two folds. It will be about the cutting and the sewing, but you will have both at once. The sewing will come after, sometime later. Alright, so let's just go right to the table and begin to work. Join me here.
So this is our measurement for the day. So we are using the bust measurement, which is 34, the waist measurement 28, hip 40, and dress length 41, and then shoulder to waist 16.
Now what about the rest of the measurements that you're working with?
Therefore, something else.
Something else.
Like different style. But this particular dress, we use only the bust, the waist, hip, shoulder to waist, and the back measurement. That's all we need for this.
So let's begin. Now let me even ask you, how many folds?
Sorry, we have fold.
Okay.
The front is on fold.
Okay.
And then the back is 2 because of the zip line.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so we are starting with the shoulder to nipple. From shoulder to nipple is 10.5. So you mark your 10.5. And then shoulder to waist to 16. You mark your 16. So waist to hip, you stand on the waistline and then mark 11. After that, you rule the line across the fabric.
Okay, so let's go back over the lines. This line is which line?
Nipple line, shoulder to nipple.
Shoulder to nipple.
Yes.
So here is the shoulder.
Yes.
Okay. Now what about this one?
Waistline. Waistline.
The waistline.
Yeah.
Shoulder to waist. And here is
Hip line.
hip
Waist to hip.
okay.
Oh,
Is
shoulder
there anything
to
like
hip.
is there anything like bar?
No.
What about the knee? You don't take any measurements.
So you start with a neckline, the depth. So from your
The neckline.
yes,
Okay.
neck depth is 3.5. So you mark it. Your measurement, your top measure will be on the middle part of the fabric. So
Okay.
you stand and then mark your 3.5.
Right.
Same thing here, 3.5.
Okay.
Then you join it. Her back is 14.
So this neck, what kind of shape? What kind of neck shape?
Round neck.
Round neck.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are back measurement. So in all, you take 10 inches. Like you mark it 10 inches from the front line, from the neck line to your shoulders, and then you take 10, and then the rest. This is where you're going to create your armhole.
The armhole.
Yeah.
So the back. Do you take the back measurements? Because I didn't see it here.
Yeah, the back measurement is here. 14. Yes.
14.
But this one, because of allowance, I don't want to end up making mistakes. So I will, like, I'm taking it more than 14.
Okay. You're taking
So I'm
it like
adding
20.
extra measurement to it. So you come down for 1 inch. Your shoulders loop.
So wait. Originally, the back was supposed to be 7.
14, yeah.
7. That's on food. So you have added 3 inches, making 10, because you want to avoid mistakes.
Yeah.
So that means that after you are done, you will shape it again. Okay.
So you rule your line.
So you measure here 1 inch.
Yes.
Okay.
And then your armhole, you stand on your shoulder line and then come down for 8 inches.
Okay.
For armhole.
Okay.
And then you join into it like that. Like your curve will be 1.5 inch away from the 8 inches. Yeah. So we are creating our princess symbol. This is 4.5.
That's a princess symbol.
Yes. We are creating the cuff. So 4.5. So yeah.
That's 4.5 across.
Across. So you stand on that 4.5 and then mark 1 inch away, 1.5 inch away from, which is like from the cup, for the cup. So, and then you come in here.
Is it a dot?
Yes, the dot. Half inch. And the same thing here.
Put it back again. I think it was more than half inch. So from here to here is 1.5. From here to here is half inch. So together it's 2 inches.
2 inches.
But it's biased towards one side.
Yeah. The same thing here too. Half inch, 1.5 here.
Check one. You did 1 inch.
That's half. Okay, this place. So we join the lines together. Okay, so from the nipple line to the wrist. Okay. So this is the cup going to, yes, so we are coming to join it to the armhole.
Okay.
So you stand on your shoulder line and then come down for 5 inches. 5 inches. So you come and then on that 5 inches line, you come down 1 inch and then up ½ inch. And then you join your line through. That's we'll be cutting it.
Alright, so let me give you a full view of what she just did. So what she did is what we call the princess dart. So you can see she connected it from the nipple point to the armhole. Alright, so let's go down. You can see what she did. Right, so the down there. You see, right? Okay, so Mercy, let's go ahead and continue. You are going to cut?
Yes.
Okay. So you are cutting on the that line.
Yeah.
So it's only for the front. Okay. What she's doing now is she's cutting the front fabric out of the back fabric so that she can raise the front off if she wants to work on the back alone. Then she does it. Okay, so let's continue.
We are done with it.
You're done with the front fabric.
So yeah, you'll just stand on your middle point and then mark the back line, but the back dart, which is straight. There's no shape for that.
There's no shape for that. Okay, so do it and let's see.
But in case you want to have the princess thing at the back, you just curve it like this.
Okay. Now, what?
It's finished.
The only thing is so, I guess you have fun. It's not that difficult after all. When she was about to do it, I thought it was something that was going to take me the whole day. But just within like 15 minutes or so, even less than that, she's done. Now, please, since it's a very short video, I would want you to take your time and just go over what you did. Sorry for the delay, but just take a bit of explanation. Give us a bit of explanation again for those who are difficult to listen, those who don't really understand stuff easily. Just like how you did here, how you cut here, how you cut here, and those things. Just go over once more.
This is our neckline.
Okay.
This is our neckline, and then the armhole.
Okay.
Your shoulders.
The shoulders.
Yes, and then the princess seam, your cap.
Okay. So, okay.
This
so
is your waistline, your hip line, then your nipple line.
nipple line.
And your hip line too.
Okay. So here you use a measurement of 3.5 for the width
Yes.
and 3.5 for the length. And here I remember you stood on the shoulder line, came down 1 inch.
1 inch.
Okay. And you came down again 8 inches for the armhole. 8 inches for the armhole. Okay. And then you stood on the shoulder line, you measured 5 inches. You made a notch with a chalk and came down 1 inch.
Yes.
And you went from the middle line and went up half inch.
Half inch.
Okay. So from the waistline, you stood in the middle and went here 1.5. Stood in the middle, came here half inch. You gotta make it 2 inches. Did the same thing across for the down.
Yes.
Okay. And you join them with a straight line. Okay. So from the waistline, you connected both points to the nipple point. From the nipple point, you connected to the armhole. So you connected the first ones at the side to the 1 inch down here, and the one at the side to the half inch here. And you just cut the front one out like this. But with the back one, you stood in the middle and just cut straight through. Okay. So that's it. It was so easy after all. I haven't sewn this before, but when she just showed me now, I've been able to capture it. I hope you are also able to capture it. Alright, now this is it. This is what we are here for. So with PaulVin, Mercy just proved herself to be worthy of being learned under. So in case you are here and you will need a shop to go and learn fashion designing, you can see Mercy knows really what she is doing. So you can pick her number right under, give her a call, and she'll be willing to assist you in whatever you want to do. Of course, it may come at a fee. So just pick her number up, talk to her, and you guys should decide whatever you want to do. Help with PaulVin will be in the background to monitor. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please give us a subscribe and follow us on Facebook too. Bye bye.